You can wash the day away and relax for 5 minutes in the shower. While the shower is a place of pleasure for many, it does have its pitfalls. We take a look at 18 things that you should never do in the shower if you want to stay safe and enjoy the experience. Too high a temperature. If the water in your shower is too much, it can strip your skin of natural oils, leaving it dry and irritated. While hot water feels good at the time, you should opt for a lower temperature to prevent dryness, especially if you have a history of eczema. Hot water is also a scalding hazard, particularly for children. Forget to test the water. You should always check the water before stepping in to make sure it is not too hot. Even if you keep the dial in the same position, water temperatures can rise from the last time you used it. Not only will you avoid burning yourself, but you will also prevent yourself from a cold surprise. Slow shampooing. Leaving shampoo on your scalp for too long can irritate your sensitive skin. Apply your shampoo according to the instructions on the bottle, massage, and rinse thoroughly. Incorrectly applying conditioner. Conditioner is meant for the hair shaft, not the scalp. Applying it to the scalp can clog pores and make hair look greasy. You should also take care not to use too much conditioner. Just a small dollop is enough, as too much will make your hair too soft. Overscrubbing. Exfoliating your skin is beneficial as it removes dead skin cells and helps your skin look and feel better. However, excessive exfoliation can disrupt your skin's natural barrier, so it should be done 2 to 3 times a week with gentle pressure only. Share bathroom accessories. Loofahs and washcloths are breeding grounds for bacteria, so you shouldn't share them with anyone else. You should always use your own shower loofah and replace it regularly. Washcloths need to be washed in your machine regularly to get rid of bacteria that build up as they dry out. Too many products. Using too many products, such as shower gels, exfoliators, and creams, can disrupt your skin's natural pH balance. You should use targeted products, but try not to use them all at once or too much of one product. Shaving against the grain. Shaving against the grain cuts the hair at a sharper angle, which can irritate the skin and cause redness, burning, and discomfort. It can also cause ingrown hairs and result in an uneven shave. You should shave with the grain and only go against the grain if necessary. Wasting water. Long showers use excessive water, which leads to bigger energy bills and waste. You should aim for a shorter shower, ideally under 5 minutes. If you are worried about your energy bills, turn off the shower while you lather up and then turn back on to rinse. Singing in the steam room. Hot, steamy showers feel nice on the body, but they can irritate your airways. Opt for cooler water to avoid hoarseness if you enjoy singing in the shower. Leaving your razor out. Leaving your razor in the shower exposes it to moisture, which breeds bacteria. You should dry it thoroughly and store it outside the shower, ideally with a lid on. It is best to use a new razor after 5 to 7 shaves so that bacteria doesn't build up too much and you don't get a rash. Brushing wet hair. Wet hair is more fragile and prone to breakage, so you should use a wide-tooth comb instead of brushing with your regular brush. You should wait until your hair is almost dry before brushing. Twisting your towel too tightly. Roughly towel drying your hair can damage and frizz. Instead, gently pat or squeeze excess water and use a microfiber towel for gentler drying, even when in a rush. Ignoring your ears. Many people forget to wash their ears, but they can get a buildup of dirt. They can also collect gel and shampoo, so you should use soap and water to wash gently. You should only wash the outer ear and avoid inserting anything into the ear canal. Washing your feet too harshly. The feet are generally more robust than other parts of the body, so people think they can treat them harshly. However, too much time scrubbing your feet in the shower can dry them out. You should be gentle, even if you have hard skin, and use a pumice when you get out of the shower. You should also focus on cleansing between the toes and rinsing well. Leaving the door shut. Leaving the shower door shut after showering traps moisture, which can cause mold. You should open the door or curtain to allow moisture to escape to keep your shower fresh and clean. Using a damp towel. Like washcloths and loofahs, towels can breed bacteria, especially when damp. You should thoroughly dry your towel between uses and wash them after 2 to 3 uses. Shower too often. Unless you get dirty at work or are sweaty after a workout, you might not need to shower daily. Dermatologists say some people, depending on their activity levels, might only need to shower every other day or even just a few times a week.